Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the RST Aramid Tech Pro CE riding jeans. The Aramid Tech Pro CE jeans from RST retail for $234.99. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update the videos for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing first. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 196 pounds, 33-inch waist. I am wearing a size 34 US, a 34 waist. In these jeans, we're going to show you some B-roll of how they fit me. I would say they fit spot on for me, right? Need a belt with them, because of the waist size, but at the end of the day, they fit really well. A ton of mobility with this. This is a really technical pair of riding jeans from RST. This is a AAA CE certified pair of riding jeans, to be specific. We have Cordura outer fabric, right? A heavyweight Cordura fabric. It's nylon reinforced, and then we have Kevlar lining behind it. We'll show you, it's in all the impact zones. We're going to show you that. It also comes with adjustable level 2 knee armor, okay? Moldable, flexible, comfortable. There's pockets in there, 3 levels of adjustment. We're going to show you that in a second, as well as level 2 hip armor, okay? So we have a ton of protection in these jeans from both abrasion as well as impact. The Cordura fabric itself has just a little bit of an elastic property to it, makes these jeans wear really nice. RST has also built in a motion panel, right, in the knee area so they articulate easier, as well as a motion panel here in the back. You'll note the back of the pants, they're a little taller here. You can see they've added this denim panel right here, okay, to help make sure that you're covering the bare skin in that area. You get into that riding position, right, and maybe a little bit of the tuck, a little bit bent over on a sport bike. This is just going to help ensure that you're got coverage in that area. In terms of pockets, it's got the standard pockets that you would expect to see on most jeans. The styling of these things is really super clean, right? This is a nice pair of pants that sells at a very fair price. Let's go ahead and turn it inside out so we can give you a look at the lining, the Kevlar reinforcement, and then the armor pockets. Okay. Kind of hard to see here through the mesh liner, but there is a full mesh liner in these pants, right? It makes them wear a little heavier, of course, right? These materials do allow air to flow through them, so when you're riding, you're going to cool down. There is, certainly some layers that you've got here, so when you get summer heat, they're going to be a little to the warm side. That's fair. But with this pant, this is more about protection and performance than it is about lightweight and cooling. They do have different options in their catalog, and other brands offer far less technical pieces that are going to be lighter wearing and cooler. These are for the rider that is really leaning more towards the protective aspect than they are the cooling aspect. You got Kevlar reinforcement here in the seat of the pants, and then of course Kevlar reinforcement up here in the knee and shin area in the front. It's kind of difficult to see through it. There's a Kevlar reinforcement right here. Kind of runs down the side, right, the hip area, because that's a hot spot. That's a spot where, you can, if you come off the bike, come into contact with the ground. So they've taken great steps to really manage the abrasion with these pants. Knee armor pocket. There are 3 levels of adjustment. You've got the closure down. That's the lowest point. Highest point here. So there's 3 steps that allow you to put that knee armor exactly where you want it. The hip armor simply slides into these pockets right here on both sides. If you prefer not to ride without it, you don't have room for it, it is easily removable, right? If you want to wear these jeans without the armor in it for whatever reason, you can easily pull the armor out and put it back in as needed. This is a quality product. We sell a lot of RST stuff here. This is a line that we added probably from the date of this video about 1.5 years ago. It has been unbelievably successful. We're pretty much the only ones in the States that are offering it at this point. So the warranty, all the customer experience, that all funnels right through us. And I can tell you, it has really been fantastic. Great products that sell at a really fair and affordable price. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm here to help you all out.